Benjamin has created a soundtrack that we will then kind of deconstruct and pull apart, and we will place those elements of audio onto these light orbs. So it's not just about you getting the one perfect sound experience, it's about being able to investigate and move through and listen to the individual voices. And the project is about taking those voices and taking a narrative soundtrack created by Benjamin and placing that in a space that young people can walk through and explore and have a dialogue with.